Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that in our Shopify store, how you can display color variants as individual products on collection page. This video is specific for Combine theme. If you have any other theme, then all the codes are available on www.shopwebsitecodes.com. Here is the current situation of our stores. You can see that we have this main collection page, and here we have all the products displaying, and we are interested to see all their variants displaying on this main collection. So firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Combine theme. You need to duplicate this theme to keep the backup of this. So click on these three dots, click on this duplicate, and it will automatically duplicate your current published theme. Again, click on these three dots. We have to click on edit code, and here you will be getting some files and folders. You have to download the code. I will be adding the link below in the description. Once you are downloading a zip file, you need to extract it, and you will be getting some files like this. And then after, you should open document.txt. Start from the first step. You need to create a new snippet, and name of that snippet will be color-variant. So let's start with creating a new snippet. Click on this snippets folder, click on add a new snippet, and right here color-variant, and then click on done. So this will create a new empty file in which we are going to add some code which we have attached. So you need to open this color-variant.txt and copy this complete code from here and paste inside of this empty file. And then you need to save the changes. Once you saved the changes, then you need to close this file. Again, we have the second step, which is to create a new snippet again. The name of that snippet will be color-product-item. So just copy this name and then click on add a new snippet and paste the name here, and then click on done. So it will also create a new empty file, and in which you need to paste this code which I have attached. So the name of file is color-product-item. So just copy this complete code and paste it right here, and then click on save. So this was the second step we have completed, and the third step is go to sections, open featured-collection.liquid. So this file you need to open up. Here we have the sections folder. Scroll it down, and you will be getting featured-collection. So here we go, and inside of it, what we have to do is we need to replace this complete liquid tag with this below code, this one. And how we will be doing this is, so firstly you should search this keyword product-item, and let me press Ctrl F or maybe Command F and then search here. So automatically this will highlight, and you can see that we have this thing complete. So we need to remove this and replace it with this specific code, which is the modified code. So I'm going to copy this and paste it inside of this, and you need to remove it first and then paste here, and then click on save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you need to click on this close. Now we have the fourth step. The fourth step is to go to sections and open main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So where is that? You need to scroll it down, and here we have main-collection-product-grid.liquid. This is under sections folder. So for this, we need to replace this line of code with these lines of code. So how we will be finding that? Again, you need to search this product-item keyword, press Ctrl F or maybe Command F, and it will automatically be highlighted here. And now we are interested to replace this liquid. All right, so here we have that liquid. So let me show you here. So you need to replace this liquid with the code which I have written here. So you need to copy this complete thing and firstly delete this and replace it with, and then you need to save the changes. Once you saved the changes, then you can close this tab. So finally we end up with modifying all those things which were according to our documentation. Now it's time to test the things. So here is the store. You need to refresh this page again, and here we go. Now you can see that all the products with their variants are displaying here, because earlier we had only 3 or 4 options. Now we are presenting all the other options to our customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.